Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today I'm going to talk about the Backspace button, the Clear Display button, and the Reset All button. Those buttons are all located over here on this part of the keypad. So these buttons are designed so that you can correct your mistakes. We'll start with the Backspace button, which is up here on top. So let's say we'll put in some characters that we wanted to cut. And oops, that's not the one we wanted. We wanted the the shift of that. So you can press the backspace button, and when you do, it backspaces over on the screen and clears that. Now it'll do as many backspaces as you have things entered. Okay, I have 3 items set in here to cut, and let's say I want to do the blackout button. So I want to cut the blackout shape of these 3 images. But oh wait, that isn't really what I want to do. I do want to cut blackout, but I want to clear this display. I don't want to cut it in these items. So you press your clear display button. And that clears your display. The next one is Reset All. So we'll put some more items back in here. Okay, I have 3 items or characters displayed in the screen to cut. I have the blackout button on, and let's say I want to do a quantity. So let's say, oh, that's totally wrong. I don't even want to do multiple cuts. So what you can do, or you're not sure what you have in there, then you would press your Reset All button. And if you watch, all of the buttons that were lit up go off. So those are 3 little handy buttons that you can use while you're doing your cutting. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.